The Republic of Fiji is an archipelago containing more than 500 islands located in the South Pacific Ocean, approximately 1,000 miles north of New Zealand. Since Fiji is a collection of islands, its closer neighbors, Wallis and Futuna, the Samoan Islands, Tonga, New Caledonia, Vanuatu, and Tuvalu, are still relatively remote. Wallis and Futuna, its closest neighbor, lies 350 miles to the northeast, and the Samoan Islands are approximately 700 miles to the east. Fiji consists of more than 500 islands. Its capital, Suva, is located on the southwestern shore of the largest island, Viti Levu. Viti Levu's area is approximately 10,000 square kilometers and accounts for about half of Fiji's total landmass and approximately half of Fiji's total population. Fiji's second largest island, Vanua Levu, is about half the size of Viti Levu. Viti Levu and Vanua Levu are both volcanic islands containing extinct volcanoes. The highest point in all of Fiji, Mount Tomanivi, rises 1.3 kilometers above sea level. Vanua Levu also contains a mountainous interior, and the highest point of the island, Nasoro Levu, is about 1 kilometer above sea level. Viti Levu has 4 major river systems: the Ba, the Singatoka, the Rewa, and the Navua, which all begin in the mountains. Fiji has abundant natural resources, including fish, timber, gold, copper, and hydropower. Even though Fiji is a developing nation, the majority of Fiji's energy comes from hydropower. Fiji only contributes about 1.3 metric tons to the global CO2 emissions, which is approximately 0.06% of the global total emissions. Fiji's major industries are tourism and agriculture. Fiji's pristine beaches and dry tropical forest attracts 1.3 tourists, and Fiji's dry tropical forests attract 1.3 million tourists annually. Fiji's main agricultural products are sugarcane, coconut, and tropical fruit. However, Fiji is probably most well known for its bottled water industry. Fiji is located in the tropics. Seasonal temperature variation is small, but Fiji does experience a wet season from December through February and a dry season from May through October. Furthermore, the mountains on Viti Levu and Vanua Levu create a wet climate on the southeast, which receives about 3,000 millimeters of rain annually, and a dry northwestern side, which only receives about 2,000 millimeters of water annually, of precipitation annually. Fiji is vulnerable to climate change. Rising ocean temperatures have bleached the coral reefs. Additionally, El Niño patterns are expected to intensify and create more intense tropical cyclones. The more intense tropical cyclones will push seawater inland and could potentially ruin crops. Additionally, rising sea levels have caused shorelines to recede, in some places as much as 6 millimeters per year. The rising sea levels have already caused the village of Vunidogoloa to relocate further inland. If sea levels continue to rise, they could potentially cause other villages in Fiji to have to relocate away from the coast.